All right, so this is the first of the Another Persian strike slides. And you can divide these up however you want. If you want to put a line in between each of these slides, that's fine. But if you don't want to, you can put them all in the same section, but make sure you have 2 questions. So after Darius died, his son Xerxes became king in 486 BC. In 480 BC, so 6 years later, he launched a new invasion of Greece with 180,000 troops and thousands of warships and supply vessels. So they weren't giving up. They still wanted to take Greece. So to defend themselves, the Greeks joined forces. We're going to learn when we study about ancient Greeks that they were divided up into different city-states, and these city-states were pretty separate. So for them to combine forces, it must have been a big thing. Sparta sent the most soldiers, and their king, Leonidas, he served as commander. The Athenian general, Themistocles, he came up with a plan to fight the Persians. So what is this plan, you ask? Let's look at the next slide. So the Greeks knew that the Persians depended on food shipments. So the Greeks cut off the Persian ships and their food supply. They wouldn't let anything come in. The Greeks used a mountain pass at Thermopylae to delay the Persian invasion. Then the Greek army crushed the Persian army at Plataea in 479 BC. Then in 334 BC, Alexander the Great conquered Persia. So it wasn't until like 140 years later, but then the Greeks get their ultimate payback, their ultimate revenge. They go and they conquer Persia. They take over all the Persian land. So the Persians really wanted this land, but they ended up not being able to take it. The Greeks used their cunning, their smarts, and the fact that they are mostly rocky mountains and not flat plains, so it makes it harder for them to attack, but they also unite together in order to stop the Persians as well. So they did a good job of that.